especially with regards to a specific period, place, or agriculture, is known as architecture.
Yes, is known as architecture. They are very pleasing to our eyes, right? They are very pleasing. They are very good to see and watch and all this, right? So in Gujarat also, beta, there are so many structure, architectures, splendor, and they are constructed during the varied eras. Yes, Gujarat too saw many such architecture splendors being constructed during the varied eras. Now some of them are here. Let us now see of India and especially of Gujarat. First, we saw the Somnath temple. Did we discuss about Somnath temple, girls? Sorry. Did we discuss about Dwarka? Yes, I think we had discussed about Somnath and Dwarkadish temple, right?
Yes.
Yes. So now we will see the Sun temple of Modhera. Before that, we'll read these things to know. Yes, Zainab, can you revise these
Ma'am,
things?
can I read? Yes, ma'am. Things to know. The town of Dwarka is situated on the banks of river Gomti, which is to the western coast of Gujarat. Set up by Lord Shri Krishna, it is dedicated
Dedicated.
to Lord Krishna, who is worshipped here by the name of the Dwarkadish or Queen of the Dwarka. The Dwarkadish temple is also known as the Jagat Mandir, World Temple.
Yes, world temple. Jagat Mandir means what? World temple, right? So the town of Dwarka is situated on the banks of river Gomti. Where is it situated, beta? On the banks of river Gomti, which is where, beta? To the western coast of Gujarat. Okay, okay. Set up by Lord Krishna. By set up by whom, beta? Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna.
Yes, and it is dedicated to Lord Krishna, who is worshipped here by the name of Dwarkadish. Okay, क्या नाम से
My
पहचाना
voice
जाता है?
is not.
Yes. और you can say King of Dwarka. द्वारका प्लेस है ना?
Yes.
द्वारका एक टाउन है, इसीलिए उनको द्वारकाधीश से भी पहचाना जाता है और किंग ऑफ द्वारका से भी पहचाना जाता है. ओके, तो वहीं पे ये द्वारकाधीश टेम्पल है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? Understood? Is also known as Jagat Mandir. Jagat Mandir એટલે કે જગત એટલે શું? વર્લ્ડ. ગુજરાતીમાં જગતનો મીનિંગ શું થાય? વર્લ્ડ. ઓકે, तो उसे जगत मंदिर वर्ल्ड टेम्पल से भी पहचाना जाता है. Now we will say about Sun Temple. Okay, the Sun Temple of Modhera, which has a this temple has been has a special you know there is a speciality of the Sun Temple that we'll discuss in this paragraph. Okay, which is situated where in Mehsana district of Gujarat. Okay, where is it? Modhera.
Mehsana district,
Yes,
Gujarat.
in Mehsana district of Gujarat. Okay. Yes, Hindu sun god Surya is dedicated to Hindu sun god Surya. Okay. Yes. Again वो अलमास की डायनेस्टी से है.
Solanki.
सोलंकी डायनेस्टी. Okay. Yes, Solanki Almas. Are you there or not?
Yes, ma'am. No,
Is she
ma'am.
there?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, chalo. Okay, Solanki Almas. Can you revise? Read this para, beta?
Yes, ma'am. The Sun Temple of Modhera. The Sun Temple of Modhera in Mehsana district of God, Gujarat is a
See,
temple dedicated
sorry, Almas. Sorry, Almas, to interpret. The Sun Temple, bolo. Okay.
The Sun Temple of Modhera in Mehsana district of Gujarat is a temple dedicated to the Hindu sun god Surya. It was built in 1026
1026 or 1026.
1026 to 27 CE by King Bhimdev I of
आई नहीं
Solanki.
बेटा. सॉरी सॉरी अलमास. किंग भीमदेव वन बोलते हैं उसको. ओके.
King Bhimdev I of Solanki dynasty. The Sun Temple has a unique architectural design constructed on a high plain. The temple comprises of three separate and integrated elements: Garbhagriha, Griha,
गर्भगृह गृह.
Garbhagriha, and inner sanctum, a Pradakshina
Pradakshina
Patha,
Patha.
Pradakshina Patha and Sabha Mandapa Assembly Hall. The mandapa in front of sanctum has 52 beautifully carved pillars
Craved नहीं,
depicting
cowed. Craved नहीं, cowed. Okay.
carved pillars depicting the tales of Ramayana and Mahabharata and representing the 52 weeks of the year. Exquisite torrents, toranas adorn the entrances. The exterior of this temple is intricately carved.
Cowed.
This temple, this temple has been designed in such a way that the sun rays illuminate the sanctum and down during the time of equinoxes, Sharad and Vasant months.
Yes, very good. Thank you, Almas. So all this is information about the Sun Temple of Modhera. Okay, तो ये जो सन टेम्पल है मोढेरा मेहसाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट, इट इज लोकेटेड इन मेहसाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ गुजरात. इट इज अ टेम्पल विच इज डेडिकेटेड टू हिंदू सन गॉड सूर्या. टू whom is it dedicated बेटा?
Hindu sun god Surya.
Yes, सूर्या. सूर्या मतलब सूरज. Okay. Yes, people worship it as God. Okay, right? Because it is the giver of life. Yes, without sun we cannot live only, right? Because days, night, rotation, revolution, uh, seasons, rainfall, the basic water cycle, evaporation, condensation, and everything. Rainfall and everything is possible in the with the sun only, right? So people worship it as a Hindu sun god, Surya. Okay. And when was it built, beta? In 26, 27, 10, 26, 27. Okay, one not 26 and 27 CE. By whom? By King Bhimdev I of the Solanki dynasty. The Sun Temple has a unique architectural design. Different. Unique means different, right? Special, right? Constructed on a high plinth, again on a high plinth. The day before I explained you about the plinth in that video, remember? Remember or not? Plinth means what?
What means?
Huh? I showed you the video of Mughal architecture. Remember in that I showed you plinth? याद है किसी को? Okay, which is high plinth means what? A little higher than the land area. Okay, why? Because there are many reasons for constructing on a higher area. जैसे आप किसी घर में भी जाओ तो आपको 3 4 5 स्टेप्स क्लाइम करके नीचे के घर में जाना पड़ता है कि नहीं?
Yes.
है ना? तो वो क्यों ऊंचाई पे थोड़ा ऊंचा पे रखते हैं, हाई प्लेन पे रखते हैं थोड़ा? बिकॉज के रेन जब हैवीली रेनफॉल हो तो दैट वाटर विल नॉट एंटर द हाउस इमीडिएटली. अंडरस्टूड? समझो कि अगर वो ग्राउंड लेवल रोड लेवल पे है तो वाटर विल कम इन द हाउस और नॉट?
Yes.
When it rains it will come in the house or not?
Yes.
Speak a little loud, beta.
It will obviously come.
यस, सो दैट इज वाई बेटा द बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शंस जो भी होते हैं, तो जो अगर फ्लैट्स की बात नहीं हो रही यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे बात हो रही है टेनामेंट्स की या बंगलोज की, राइट? तो दे आर यू टू क्लाइम एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 steps and then you will be entered in the house. Yes, why? Because वो थोड़ा रोड लेवल से, yes, from the road level the level is kept up. Understood? Apart from that, इसके अलावा भी बेटा there are many reasons. The insects which crawl on the earth surface, है ना? Understood? They will also directly not get enter in the house if it is on the higher surface. They can climb and come, but directly they will not come. Yes, like for example, frog ले लो, snake ले लो, कोई भी insect which crawl on the earth, right or wrong? And there are many other reasons also why they are constructed on a high plane, but basically आपको इतना समझ में आया इसलिए मैंने आपको समझाया. Understood बेटा?
Yes.
Yes. So they are constructed in a high plane, and the temple comprises of three separate and integrated elements. Okay, how do they comprise, beta? Three separate and integrated elements. Okay, one is garbhagriha, એટલે inner sanctum, અંદર का जो होता है गर्भगृह, that is inner sanctum. A pradakshina patha. Pradakshina patha means what? You know, when we go to worship any god, हम उसके चारों ओर प्रदक्षिणा लगाते हैं, उसके इर्द गिर्द घूमते हैं ना, है ना? Yes or no? Have you seen in movies and some places? प्रदक्षिणा लेते हैं, उसके इर्द गिर्द घूमते हैं,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो उसके लिए भी एक पाथ बनाया है इंटीग्रेटेड एलिमेंट्स में. फर्स्ट इज गर्भगृह, थ्री पार्ट्स है. ओके, सेकेंड इज प्रदक्षिणा पाथ, जहाँ पे लोग प्रदक्षिणा करते हैं. एंड वन इज असेंबली हॉल, उसे सभा मंडपा कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं बेटा?
Sabha Mandapa.
Yes, Sabha Mandapa. Okay. And the mandapa in the front of the sanctum has 52 beautiful carved pillars. कितने pillars है? 52. Depicting the tales of Ramayana and Mahabharata. Okay. And representing the 52 weeks of the year. Okay. Exequus Torana. Adorn the entrances. Torana means what? Okay. I'll show you here. See, this is this type of. Can you see this? ये तोरणा gates होता है ऐसे. Can you see this? ऐसे gates.
Yes.
तोरणा जो हुआ है ना ऐसा. Understood? So Toranas add on the entrances, and the exterior of this temple is intricately carved. This temple has been designed in such a way that the sun rays illuminate the sanctum at a dawn. Dusk and dawn, I hope everyone knows now. Dusk means what? Dusk का meaning क्या होता है? Dusk means early in the morning. Okay. Do you understand? Early in the morning when the sun rises, at that time it is called dusk. And down means what? When the sun sets. The period, that period is known as down period. Okay. Understood, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So in temple की design ऐसे की गई है कि at the down time sun rays illuminate directly the sanctum, मतलब जहाँ पे बीच में, okay, बीच में the inner sanctum पे हमने ऊपर देखा ना, the first part है ना, उस पे डायरेक्टली द सन रेज फॉल, ऐसे उसकी बिल्डिंग की कंस्ट्रक्शन की गई है. पर कब? ड्यूरिंग शरद एंड वसंत मंथ्स. ओके ओके, इक्विनॉक्सेस. शरद एंड वसंत मंथ्स आर ऑफ गुजराती कैलेंडर. ओके गर्ल्स, I hope you learn Gujarati months, right? Okay, chalo. Now we will see about the Surya Kund. Okay, yes, Sakina, can you read? Himani Sakina.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what did you say?
Surya Kund. Can you read this?
Okay, ma'am. The Surya Kund pool, a rectangular step tank at the entrance of the temple, has exemplary geometric features with the innumerable stone steps and 108 miniature shrines. Chi- what is it?
Sorry, 108 miniature shrines chiseled between these steps.
108 miniature shrines chiseled between the steps. Suryakund is a site to be captured and treasured, a center of attraction for historians and architects alike. The Modera Sun Temple, located on the west of the Tropic of Cancer, is similarly in many respects to the
Konark Sun
Konark
Temple.
Konark Sun Temple, situated to the east of the tropic.
Yes, absolutely right. So this is all about the location and the unique features of Modhera Sun Temple. Yes, we will revise this once and then we will go to Rudra Mahalay. Yes, we will revise this.
ممكن أنا
I everyone should get a chance. Zainab will revise.
Can I?
Rupan is there. Yes, who is it asking for permission?
Sakina Rajani.
Yes, Sakina Rajani, revise it, beta. Any doubt, if anyone can ask me, okay?
Okay. The Sun Temple of Modera. The Sun Temple
Modhera.
of Modera.
Hmm.
The Sun Temple of Modera is Mehsana district of Gujarat. In a temple dedicated to Hindu sun god Surya, it was built in 1026-27 CE by King Bhimdev
One.
I of Solanki dynasty. The Sun Temple was unique architectural design constructed on high pilled. The the temple of the three
Comprises.
separate and comprises of the three separate and intricate elements: Garba, Gi-
Garbhagriha.
Gira, Garbhagraha, a Pradakshina path, and a
Sabha Mandapa.
Sabha Mandapa. The mandapa is in front. The mandapa is front of Sankut.
Sankam.
Sankam has
Sankam.
15.
52. Hello. Yes, Rupan is in a pen and continue. I think she has some network issue. Hello. Girls, can you
Yes,
listen
ma'am.
me? Yes, continue better. She has some network issue, I guess.
Ma'am, I repeat.
Yes, you repeat better. You revise it. Sakina, read from first only because she's left from
Ma'am,
middle.
from where?
First, the Sun Temple of Modhera.
The Sun Temple of Modhera in Mehsana district of the Gujarat is a temple dedicated to the Hindu sun god Surya. It was built in 120, 1026 to 27 CE by King Bhimdev, King of by King Bhimdev of the Solanki dynasty. The Sun Temple has a unique architecture design constructed on the high plinth. The temple comprises of the three separate and integrated elements: Garbhagriha, a inner section, a Pradakshina
Srinapat.
Patha, Pradakshina Patha, and a Sabha Mandapaha, a assembly hall. The mandapa is in the front of the sanctum as the 52 beautiful carved pillars dedicating the tales of the Ramayana and Mahabharata and
Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Ramayana and
We pronounce it Ramayana and Mahabharata also, okay? Hmm.
Ramayana and Mahabharata and representing the 52 weeks of the year. Ex, ex,
Excuse. Hmm.
executes Ton,
Toranas.
Tarunas and Ron. The entrance, the exterior of this temple is intricately carved.
Cowed
This
me,
temple
cowed. Cowed. Cowed
carved,
me, cowed. Huh.
carved. This temple has been designed in such a way that the sun rays illuminate the sanctum at the door
Down, down.
down. During the time of the
Equinoxes.
equinoxes, Shard and Vasant month.
Sharad and Vasant months.
Shard and Vasant months. The Surya Kund pool, a recting, rectangular
Rectangular.
step rectangular step tank at the entrance of the temple has exemplary geometric features with the reliable stone steps and 108 miniature shrines series between three steps. Suryakund is a site to be captured and treasured, a center of attraction for the historians and architects alike. The Modera Sun Temple, located on the west of the Tropic of Cancer, is similar in the
Many respects.
respects, many respects to the Konarak Sun Temple,
Temple.
Konarak Sun Temple, situated to the east of the tropic.
Yes, absolutely right. So historians and architects alike, उनका जो center of attraction है मोढेरा सन टेम्पल का, वो कैसा है? मोढेरा सन टेम्पल, which is located on the west of the Tropic of Cancer, is similar in many respects to the Konark Sun Temple. Okay, but Konark Sun Temple is situated to the east of Tropic. Tropic of Cancer पे ही है, but east of Tropic of Cancer. Is it clear till here, girls? Girls, is it clear? Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So from Rudra Mahalaya to Palitana and other architecture monuments, I guess we will be able to see in the next class, because if I start here, we won't be able to complete it. Yes. Any doubt in this paragraphs?
No, ma'am.
In the Modhera Sun Temple, understood?